hortatory exposition text. A hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listener or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. In other words, the main function of hortatory exposition text is to persuade the readers or listener that something should or should not be the case.
Social function of hortatory exposition text. Social function to drive readers to act like the writer talk, while its purpose is to influence and persuade the readers by presenting the supporting arguments. Point forward that certain things should or should not be done.
Structure. First, thesis introduces topics or issues to be discussed. Second, arguments to support the thesis with the reasons, evidence, and examples. Third, recommendation suggests what the reader should do or think.
Alright guys, this is the language feature of the hortatory exploitation text. And the first is using abstract noun like culture, courage, hope, police, and advantage, and any others. And the second is using action verbs like act, tell, argue, implant. And the third is using think verbs. This is like reflect, consider, evaluate, and analyze, and any other. And the fourth adverbs like surely, currently, definitely, and currently, and any others. And the fifth is using temporal connective like firstly, secondly, thirdly, and any others. And the sixth is use evaluative words like effective, efficient, trustworthy, and evaluable, and any others. And the seventh is using the simple present. And the eighth is using passive voice.
Example of hortatory exposition text is never try smoking. The generic structure first is thesis. For example text, a lot of people, especially teenagers who do not smoke, always want to try smoking. They know it is bad for them and all, but it is just something they want to try. So they ask one of their smoker friends for a cigarette. Admittedly, they firstly cannot light it on their own, so they ask his friend to do it. Then they inhale that cigarette and smoke occasionally. Apparently, that makes them the born smokers. Now they do smoke fairly regularly. They cannot avoid smoking and they enjoy it too. They have smoker friends. Every day they bring a pack in their pocket. For them, a pack of cigarettes is as important as a wallet for their money. The second of generic structure is argument. For example, text. Suddenly, for certain reason, they release the fact that tobacco is the cause of a long list of nasty diseases. It is not only heart disease, stroke, and chronic lung disease, but also bladder, lung, and pancreatic cancer. Even it was reported that around 400,000 Americans died each year. It was one every 80 seconds from tobacco-related illnesses. Then they decide it is stupid to harm self. They want to quit smoking. Unfortunately, they find that quitting smoking is so difficult. Why can't I stop smoking? I really want to stop it. It is hard to quit because nicotine is powerfully addictive. Cigarette is one of the most efficient drugs delivery device every disease. As a result, when people try to quit smoking, they often experience classic nicotine withdrawal symptoms such as anxiety, irritability, headache, depression, and restlessness. The third of generic structure is recommendation. For example, text. Well, still want to try smoke? Think the facts before trying. If you are not smokers, you should never try to smoke.